All right, sticking with Google for a second, here's a sneak peek inside their brand new store. There's no surprises here. They pretty much did exactly what you would expect them to do.
Oh, it's up already?
Well, I don't believe it's open to go in, but everything is set up inside.
Oh. I feel like we were talking about them making a store like
Well, the
couple weeks
thing
ago.
was, it's on the ground floor of the building that they're already in. So maybe it's not that big of a deal. They go move a few things around. They're like, store. There you go. No, I'm sure it's a big deal. I'm just kidding. But anyway, through the windows, you can get a sense for the style of what they're going for. And it's, like I said, it's no surprise. You got the light wood color on many of the fixtures, which is very Google, very Apple, very tech, very San Francisco, whatever. I don't know what you would call it. And you can see the product layout. So I see one of those Nest hubs. I see all the phones laid out on a table, as well as the cases and other accessories prominently featured. Shelves full of accessories. Stadia is represented with the controllers and the phone. And so this is kind of your best look for the time being. There's a couple of stools in there. What's your takeaway? They got a theater in there as well. I think you have to scroll down a little further for that. You'll see that there's a big screen and some of those little cube chairs you can move around. Maybe they'll do presentations there. I think you got to scroll a bit further.
Yeah, they really have that like room environment. They want to make you feel at home or something.
There you go. That's the image I was talking about right there. So I guess they can have a meeting or presentation. I don't know if they want to do classes, how Apple does it. Everyone's trying to figure it out, but it does. I mean, if we're being honest here, which of course we are, it's the only way to do the show. It feels kind of Apple inspired to me, but I don't know how else you do retail. Like, what do you do in there?
Yeah.
You got to make it feel comfortable, and you got to make it has to be somewhat minimal because you're showcasing products at the end of the day. So, but it's pretty much exactly what you would have expected it to look like. That's how I would.
Yeah.
That's essentially how I would describe it.
It's really down to a science.
Yeah.
So
There's not too many risks involved over there.